कमललोकपूर्णप्रमोदम् श्रीकृष्णं च पुराणे यजमनुचरितं तेन वृन्देन श्रीराधालोकतृप्तं पितृमुखमिलितं मातृनिष्ठं स्मरामि श्रीराधिका की है गिला कृष्ण लागी विलोचना
श्रीराधिका की है गिला कृष्ण लागी विलोचना
नानाविध Niradhika Grihe Gela means Radharani back to home. From where? Just before, just think about it. Radharani was before, about 12 o'clock. Radharani was in Radhakund with Krishna, manifesting first time, like swing festival, hiding festival, hiding, playing with them, swing, hiding. Not only that, Vamshiharan, stealing Krishna's fruit. Then Madhupan, Surya Puja means play, worshipping Sangha, Devana. Surya Puja. So, this type of festival, playing festival. Then after that he returns to home. Where is home? In Lahore, Java. When we return to home, what do you think? After Radhakund, Java, how far? How far is it? Java to Radhakund? More than 20 kilometers. There is no car. So return. How? No. Spiritual connection like this. 1 minute, 100 kilometers, you can reach it in a second. So Radharani, so return to home, Java. And if we are in noon time, outside, when we return to home, what do you think? Okay, fresh, take a rest, right? But she is thinking, Krishna Lagi Virochita. Means she wants to do something for Krishna's satisfaction. For Krishna's satisfaction. So what's he thinking? Nana Vido Khadda Upaha. Varieties type of food preparation. Varieties type of Nana Vido means varieties. Khadda means food. Upahar means she wants to give something to Krishna, offer something to Krishna. Actually, Radharani is the embodiment to serve Krishna wholeheartedly. Never think about previous charm which is really, we say, Nahi Magi Deho Sukho, Vitta Thavanam, fourth charm. We read that Aparad Gunam Prabhu Tapa Pada Juge Moroni Nahi Magi Deho Sukho, Vitta Thavanam Prabhu Tapa Pada Juge Moroni Vedana. Hey Mama, hey Prabhu means oh my Lord. My Nivedana, more means my. Nivedana means request. So what Nivedana? Nahi Magi Deho Sukho. I don't want any physical comfort. I don't want big academic study. I don't want any material wealth. John means I don't want popularity. Right? Here, Radharani not thinking any kind of devotion means physical comfort. So return and thinking to prepare something. Prepare something for what? For who? Krishna. What? Nana Vido Khaddu. Variety style of food for Krishna. What Krishna like? What Krishna like now? Krishna like milk product. Right? Yogurt. Yogurt. Then butter. Condensed milk. All milk product. Therefore, she is preparing what? Varieties type of milk products. Like Korpur Giri, camphor fragrance, sweet. Amrita Giri, little bit nectarian, like you can say Rasamala. You know Rasamala, you have Rasamala? Such type of Amrita Giri. Food, Siddhi Pyari. Therefore, what is Snata Ramma Bhekshapuri? Snata means, it is true that whenever you do anything, any preparation for Krishna in the kitchen, we have to take bath, Snata. Radharani take bath now, whenever, even when he went to second jam, Radha Snato Vibhushito. The second jam, Radharani going to shower for Krishna, for cooking for Krishna. So that time also he to sit to bath. But any time, kitchen room is like a tea. Kitchen room, you should consider like a tea. Which cloth we wear and went to bathroom, and it's washroom or restroom, whatever. Better for us to change the outfit. Rather than mixing Sanataram Beshodhuri. Verses take bath. Rammavesh means beautiful outfit, ornament, jewelry. And early morning also same thing. She did the same thing. Then Priyamukho Khono Kori. The thinking about rearmost persons to Sri Krishna's Mukh means fresh, like if I think, what is my funny cushion? I may stay at Jagannath Puri. I can remember funny cushion face, right? Same thing. You should think about this, think about how, actually we have to think about it. Whenever I prepare Krishna's, any preparation, you think about that, how should always keep Krishna or beloved or object of love in our mind. It's Krishna. Krishna, what he is doing. What he is doing at present. Maybe it's Krishna coming back on the way back to Kavadi, way back to Nandagaon, Nandamari Palace. Thinking. Right? In the one moment, she is not keeping Krishna's eye from her. Riyamukhi Khana. Every moment she is thinking about Krishna. Purnananda Pailo Paro. Whenever you remember Krishna, if you think Krishna, you can see the dream. We see Krishna's dream. Prabhu, আপনি হয় দরজা ছেড়ে বসুন, তো আপনি দরজা সাথে লোক আসবে করছেন। দৈনতা ভালো, দৈনতা if you see the dream, what dream? Krishna came in your mind, Krishna came in your dream and calling Hanumati, get up, cook for me. Just see the dream. Not only you are not thinking about Krishna, but Krishna came to your dream with nice outfit. That make you feel what? Happy or unhappy? Definitely happy. So if you are just always absorbed, your mind absorbed, always your mind absorbed, to think about, always mind thinking Krishna and feeling Krishna with you. What do you feel? Happy or not? Whenever we are away from Krishna, that time we are in distress. Whenever we close to Krishna, that time we feel happy. Because Krishna is embodiment of happiness. Krishna is embodiment of pleasure. Therefore, we should always think about Krishna. So Radharani think always Krishna and Purnananda Vaibhava. Absolutely blissful. Unlimited bliss of all means unlimited bliss. She is feeling to think about Krishna. Sri Krishna Paramno Kale Dhenu Mitra Vaiyachari. So after a long time, Krishna, but today now, we should also think about it. We know we are performing Sundharati. Sundharati, evening Arati, right? What we are doing? What we are chanting or whatever. Vashiyachen Bora Chan Ratna Sinhasan Arati Kareno Brahma Adi Devagane. Think this, Krishna coming back from Kavadi. On the way, all the god and goddesses, they are performing arati beside the road. That thing, Bhaktivinoda Thakur keep in this way. Gauranga Mahaprabhu Shichinanda Singhasana, Vashiya Chen Gurachana, Bhaktivinoda Singhasana. Gauranga Mahaprabhu sitting on Singhasana, Ratna Singhasana. Singhasana made with diamond, Ratna with diamond. Arati Karena Brahma Adi Deva. Then all the god and goddesses, they are performing to greet Krishna. They are performing arati. This is the theme. Dhenu mitra loya chale pathe radha mukho nirokhiya. So, how Krishna, how Radha thinking about Krishna, similarly, Krishna also thinking about Radha. Krishna is thinking about Radha. They are not different. They cannot keep, hey, if you think I will perform all the Radharani service, then Radha will not be happy. Definitely, surely, Radha will not be happy. Radha wants everybody should respect my beloved. Krishna also, Krishna clearly explained, if you are not getting Radha's mercy, you are not qualified to get my mercy. Krishna declared, if you are not, Krishna made Nanda Maharaj, Jashoda, and accordingly they are also greeting Krishna. When they live for the cowherding, they are behind Krishna. Return as a greeting Krishna. How? Mother Jashoda wiping Krishna's body. Why? Because cowherding, so much sweat, right? Sweating, dusting. 900,000 cows when they walk. Think about dust, right? When they walk, running, you can see village road, between 100 cows are running, so much dust. 900,000 cows. 100 cows or 900,000. So how much dust? So dust, white. Moro moro anandito hoiya. To think about this, when this time, now it's dark, no? Before that, but still sun, visible, now sunset. Already Krishna reached. So let us go to the sixth jump. Sixth jump maybe that when Krishna really, it was thinking, Radharani thinking, what is going to happen. Now reality going to happen. Nayanam laladasya dharaya vadanam vadgadarudhaya Ulokai nichitam bhopu Padato vanamo bhavane bhavishyati. So, this mood, Hey Krishna, when I will get such feeling, Nayananda Sumara, tears always coming. Tears coming. Ulokai nichitam bhopu. Feeling blissful but tears. This is a big problem. Separation, but meeting with Krishna. Nayanam maladasya dharaya padanam madagadarithaya. And throat becomes choked. And pulakai means pleasure, full of feeling, full of blissful, full of bliss or full of pleasure. Such type of. Then, Padato Vanama Bhavane Bhavishyati. Padato Vanama Bhavane Bhavishyati. constantly chanting. Never stop. That, huh? So what you pray, chanting, when you chant, what is the ultimate benefit of chanting? What do you say?
Prema Bhakti.
What is prem? Rasa said, what is prem? Prem means what?
It is love.
Love.
Without any obstacles. Absolutely pure love. Right?
Pure love for Krishna. Yeah. So, prem dhon vina vyartha daritra jivan. Prem dhon, most important wealth is prem. Why? Because if you have prem, pure love for Krishna, then we can reach Krishna immediately. We can reach Krishna means we can get service. We become qualified to serve Krishna. Without prem, we are not able to serve Krishna. This is the most important part. Das kori beton more deu premana. Das kori, and let me be your servant. Das kori beton more. What is my remuneration? I want the remuneration to serve you. To serve you and to give me the remuneration. What remuneration? Constantly engage me to your service. Constantly engage me to service. That is my remuneration, beton. And constantly, Deu Premona, this prem thought, constantly giving, full of love, to serve you. Nowadays, what we are asking? One stage, 18,000 rupees. Right? Okay, অপরাধ ফলে মম চিত্ত বজ্র সম
অপরাধ ফলে মম চিত্ত হেল
তোমার নামে না লভে বিকারো
তোমার নামে
কবে তব নাম উচ্চারণে মোর
কবে তব নাম উচ্চারণে মোর
নয়নে ঝড়ব দর দর ঢোর গদ গদ স্বর কণ্ঠে উপজব
গদ গদ স্বর কণ্ঠে উপজব
মুখে বলো আধো আধো বৈরব ধরবুপরাণ
নাম সমাশ্রয়ে ধরবুপরাণ
মিলাব আমার কি হইছে দিন
মিলাব আমার ইয়ে আছে দিনা
রয়ে ভকতি বিনোদমতিহীন
রয়ে অগাধি বিনোদমতিহীন
স্বয়ং রাধাং সসখ
স্বয়ং রাধাং সসখ
নিজর মন কৃতে
জনমনগীতে
প্রসিতানেক ভজ্যং
প্রসিদ্ধানি কবচং
সখানিতেশ
কামিতেশ
সুশাসন
শাসন
উদিতরিদং পঞ্চতং চ ব্রজেন্দ্রম সুস্নাতং রম্যবেশং গৃহমনুজননী ললিতং প্রাপ্তগোষ্ঠং নিব্বড় সহস্রালিদোহং সাগৃহমনু পুনর্ভুক্তবন্তং স্মরামি। Now this is reality by now. Krishna coming back. Before you do any puja, worshipping, we need to perform the Bhuta Shuddhi. What you are going to do, think in your mind. Think in your mind, then do accordingly. The now Radharani, Shri Radhika Shayam Kale. First let me finish the chanting now. Shri Radhika Shayam Kale Krishna lagi pathaile
Radhika Shayam Kale Krishna lagi pathaile
Bibidho mishtano
Sari haste Bibidha mishtana
Krishna bhukto sheshani Shakhi dilo sukhomani
Krishna bhukta sheshayani Sakhi dila sukhamani
Paya Radha hoilo prasanno
Jaya Radha Hoila Prasanna
Nataramma Beshodhari Yashoda Lalito Hari
Nadamya Veshodhari Yashoda Lalita Hari
Sakha Saha Bodhono Kare
Saha Gododana Kare
Nanavidho Pakkono Paya Hoilo Parashanno
Nanabidha Pakana Paya Hoila Parasana
Hariyami Paramo Jatmare
Moriyami Paramayatare
Hariyami Paramo Adhore
Moriyami Paramayatare.
So what I said, what I explained before that whatever you do for Krishna, you have to think what you are going to do. Right? Radha thought about it. Now she is reality. She Radhika Shayam Kale Radharani even giving a mishtan for Sakhis. And through Sakhis sent Krishna Bhukta Sheshwani. Sakhi accordingly gave that preparation to Krishna. Krishna honored it. And then Sakhi brought the leftover Krishna, whatever leftover Krishna, from the Maharaj palace. Jashoda lali tori. Jashoda preparing Krishna means making fresh Krishna. How? Wife his body means make Krishna clean completely. Sakha Saho, then Krishna goes to cow shed. Purpose for milking cow. Sakha Saho todo ho no kore. Krishna went to Goshala cow shed for milking cow with his associate. Then again Mother Jashoda, when Krishna coming back from Goshala, Mother Jashoda again gave prasad, varieties type of food. And Sakha nana vidho pakko anno paya hoilo poro sonno. Night time usually, this North Indian, what they eating? Water, fruits and sleep? No. Halwa, puri. Ever you want to eat before sleep? Yes? Because you have Krishna's devotee. But American people they don't want, right? Whoever Krishna's devotee, general American, they don't want. Oh, after sunset, no prasad. And if you request, okay, tiny bit. But Krishna, Mother cook, honor it, again eat it. On the way back, Radha cooked so many sweets, he ate. Then, after milking cow, coming back to home again, Mother Jashoda again feed her. Therefore, Nanavidho Pakko Anno Paya Hoilo Poro means Krishna becomes satisfied again. Mother cook, puri, halwa, varieties type of milk product. Kheer, condensed milk. Always milk. But nowadays, milk not available, right? In Brazil, available milk. Anyway, 7th Saptamjam. What is going to happen? Krishna now in home, but Brinda Sakhi, appointed by Lalita Sakhi, she should prepare something in Sanket Kunj. Sanket means signal. Sanket means signal. So that's Kunj. Everybody thinking Krishna, not possible to meet with Krishna until this sunrise, right? After sunrise, Krishna will take breakfast and then come back, right? Then we can meet Krishna. So there are a lot of separation. How Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed all those songs. Just thinking, I'm going to chant it, just to follow my tune. So 7th Jam, we have to chant it first. 7th text of 6th Shastakam. जुगायितं निमेषना चक्षुषा प्रविशयितं
जुगायितं निमेषेण चक्षुषा प्रविशयितं
शून्ययितं जगत्सर्वं गोविन्दविरहीनमे
जुगायितं जगत्सर्वं गोविन्दविरहीनमे.
Because of Govinda's separation, everything become empty. All world become empty. Separation move like this. উদ্বেগে দিবস না যায় ক্ষণ হইল যুগ সম বর্ষার মেঘ প্রায় অশ্রু বর্ষে তু নয়ন out of separation tear fall such like a monsoon water like a monsoon season constantly tear গোবিন্দ বিরহে শূন্য হইল ত্রিভুবন গাইতে গাইতে নাম কি দশা হইল
গাইতে গাইতে নাম কি দশা হইল
কৃষ্ণ নিত্য দাস মুনি হৃদয়ে স্ফুরিল
কৃষ্ণ নিত্য দাস মুনি হৃদয়ে স্ফুরিল
জানিলাম মায়া পাশে এ জড় জগতে
জানিলাম মায়া পাশে এ জড় জগতে
গোবিন্দ বিরহে দুঃখ পাই নানা মতে
গোবিন্দ বিরহে দুঃখ পাই নানা মাতে
আর যে সংসার মোর নাহি লাগে ভালো
আর যে সংসার নাহি লাগে ভালো
কাহা যাই কৃষ্ণ হেরি এই চিন্তা বিশাল
কাহা যায় কৃষ্ণ হেরি এ চিন্তা বিশাল
কাঁদিতে কাঁদিতে মন আঁখি বরিশয়
কাঁদিতে কাঁদিতে আঁখি বরিশায়
বর্ষা ধারা হেন চোখে হইল
বর্ষাধারে হেন চক্ষে হইল উদয়
নিমেষ হইল মোর শত যুগ সম
নিমেষ হইল সর্বযুগ
গোবিন্দ বিরহ সহিতে অক্ষম
গোবিন্দ বিরহ
কৃষ্ণ বিরহ আর সহিতে না পারি,
কৃষ্ণ বিরহ সহিতে না পারি,
পরাণ ছাড়িতে আর দিন দুই চারি, গাইতে গোবিন্দ নাম বুঝিল ভবগ্রাম,
গাইতে গোবিন্দ নাম বাজিল ভাবগ্রাম,
দেখিলাম যমুনার কূলে,
দেখিলাম যমুনার কূলে,
বৃষভানুসুতা সঙ্গে শ্যামন
সভানুসুতা
যায়ন কমূলে,
বাঁশরি বাজায় নিপমূলে,
দেখিয়া যুগল ধন অস্থির হইল মন,
দেখিয়া যুগল ধন হাসির হইল মান,
যেন হারা হইল তখন,
অজ্ঞানহারা হইত
পদক্ষণে নাহি জানি জ্ঞান লাভ হইল মানি,
কতক্ষণে নাহি জানি জ্ঞান লাভ হইল মনি,
আর নাহি ভেল দর্শন,
আর নাহি ভেল দর্শন,
সখী গো কেমতে ধরিব সখী গো কেমতে ধরিব নিমেষ হইল যুগের সমান, কেমতে ধরিব শ্রাবণের ধারা আখি বরিশায়, শূন্য ভেল ধরা তল, গোবিন্দ বিরহে প্রাণ নাহি রহে,
গোবিন্দ বিরহে প্রাণ নাহি রহে,
কেমনে বাঁচিব বলো,
কেমনে বাঁচিব বলো,
ভগতি বিনোদ অস্থির হইয়া, নামাশয় করি, ডাকে রাধানাথ দিয় দর্শন,
ডাকে রাধানাথ দিয়া দর্শন,
ডাকে রাধানাথ দিয় দর্শন,
ডাকে রাধানাথ দিয়া দর্শন,
প্রাণ রাখো নহি মরি,
প্রাণ রাখো নাহি মরি,
প্রাণ রাখো নহি মরি,
প্রাণ রাখো নাহি মরি,
হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে,
হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে,
প্রদর্শিলা সূচনা রাধাং শালিগনন্তম
সৈয়নন্তম
সিতো সুতানি সযোগ্য বেশম, প্রদোষে দুত্বা বৃন্দপদেশো, কল্পকুঞ্জম কৃষ্ণং গোপৈশভয়ং বিহিত গুণিকলালোকনং স্নিগ্ধমাত্রা যত্নদানীয় সংশয়িতমোথ নিভৃত প্রাপ্তকুঞ্জং স্মরামি রাধা বৃন্দাউপদেশে যমুনোপকূলদেশে রাধা বৃন্দাউপদেশে যমুনোপকূলদেশে সাংকেতিক কুঞ্জীয় বিশরে সাংকেতিক কুঞ্জীয় বিশরে শীত নিশাযোগ ধরিবেশ কৃষ্ণ সখী সঙ্গে সনন্দ অন্তরে সখী সঙ্গে সনন্দ অন্তরে গোপসভা মাঝে হরি নানা গুণ কলারি মাতৃ যত্নে করিল শয়ন Krishna already in Mother Yashoda's place. But what to do? Lalita should prepare Radharani. So Lalita gave order to Vrinda Sakhi, prepare Radharani. Winning moon cycle, Lalita prepare Radharani with deep color dress. Waxing moon cycle, Lalita prepare Radharani with white color, bright color outfit. Then Radharani prepared. Then Vrinda giving signal. Radha prepared. So accordingly, Krishna was told by all the associates, hey, come, Krishna already on his bed. Yashoda let Krishna sleep in his room, on his bed. But Krishna escaped. Krishna escaped. How? As soon as with the signal, Sanket. Then all the Sakhis calling Krishna, come. Krishna left. But before that, what he was thinking? Shunno dharatal chodike dekhiya parano udasa hoyo. All are empty. All are empty. Shunno dharatal. Dharatal means this surrounding. All are empty because, and Paran means light. Udash means pass out. Physical form here, but pass out. Like if you stay here and think something else. If I call you Bhanumati, you are not answering. Then when I say, oh, what happened? It's called Pesta. Param Das. Ki kori tiro nahi hai. What I do? Look, Krishna, Radharani, separation. Brahmati kim karam maham. In Radhe, I become crazy Brahmati. Mati Brahm. Brahmati, kim karam maham, what I'll do without you? You are not here. I have no service. I am embodiment of your service. Your servant. Engage me in your service. All we are actually, eternal servant of Supreme Lord. But we are not feeling, please engage me in your service. I think all we are thinking about, please relieve me from your service. Right? Please relieve me from your service. Engage and relieve. This is the situation. We have to think about what is, when we have such separation, how much we feel separation, that much we have relation. How much strong separation, that much strong relation we have. If no relation, no separation, okay, you are staying with you by your own way, I am staying by my own way, no problem. Right? But if I say Damodar should not meet with Bhamumati, then what will happen? Damodar mind completely passed out. How can I stay without Bhanumati? Similarly, Bhanumati also, same thing. How can I stay without Damodar? Right? Isn't it? Was relation, but before she met with Damodar, she don't care about Damodar, right? Same thing. When they have relation, they have exchange. So they establish relation. Now they are feeling separation. Same thing. When we are able to establish relation with Krishna, then we can feel separation. How much we establish relation with our material gain. Material gain, always we want searching. Where is material gain, material gain, material gain? But same, if you have relation with Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, fourth jhana says, Vishaye je priti ebe achahe amar sei moto priti ho charane tomara. Vishaya means how much I have attachment with my sense gratification desire. Vishaya means sense gratification. Same attachment, please give me to serve your lotus feet. As soon as we are able to establish such attachment to serve Krishna's lotus feet, that means we become delivered. We become delivered. But now, under any circumstances, we are thinking how to get material gain. How to get material gain. Same thing, we will think how to get Krishna's service. That's all. That is called Vishaya je priti ebe achare amar sei moto priti hou charane tomar. What? Hey? When? কি মালিক কেমন আছে? কবে এসেছো? এক মাস হয়ে গেছে? তো ঠিক আছে। তো বিষয়ে যে প্রীতি এবে আছয় আমার, what type of, what faith, what attachment I have for my material gain or material sense enjoyment desire, fulfilling the sense enjoyment desire. Oh Lord, please give me such attachment to serve your lotus feet. That is our goal to establish. How to establish such goal? Only one way. In this current age, only one way. What is the way? Chant. Bhaktare, bhaktare, chant, chant, chant. What chant? Hare Krishna Mahamantra. How? Only chanting, chanting, chanting? No. Under the shelter of our parampara. Under the shelter of our parampara, But nowadays problem is due to our preaching strategy, we become fanatic. And we are thinking about this. Parampara means one individual person. One individual. The Guru is individual. So Guru means Guru Parampara. So that is a conception. But Guru Parampara, Guru means one tattva, absolute truth. It's Krishna. To reach Krishna is not easy to reach. To reach Krishna, we have to go through all the parampara. All the parampara. Therefore we should give due respect. Like you are in the, I can give an example. You want to meet with President of this country or Prime Minister of this country. Is it possible for you to meet directly? Possible? Impossible. Impossible. Then you have to go through your local area who has connection, close relation with Modi's or Prime Minister or President's who is close connected. You have to meet with them. First you meet with your close connection. That is called Diksha, Shiksha. Then we think about who is more close to Krishna. Then you have to go, like me, to go to the Prabhupada teachings of Siddhartha. Then you have to go to Gaur Krishna Prasad. In that way, goes, then reach Krishna. Similarly here, see, if I want to meet with Modi, I have to think, Modi is BJP. So Modi, I have to think, God, who is BJP government and president here in this local area. Meet with him. Then state, district area. Then state area. Then central area. Then who is close, means who is personal assistant of Modi, meet with him. Then, if we make him happy, then we can meet Modi. A simple one, Indian small country, corrupted country, right? But think about who is owner of the entire universe, president of the entire universe. How you can meet? So many parampara, the members, all members. Like gradually we meet. Then ultimate Brahma, then Krishna. We are Brahma parampara. Narad, Brahma, then Krishna. To go through this Diksha Guru, then Diksha Guru, all these parampara. Diksha Guru, Diksha Guru, Diksha Guru, Diksha Guru, connections are there. Therefore, we should think about this, how to reach our ultimate goal of spiritual practice. Chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra under the shelter of parampara. Then we can reach. Anyway, so now I think Arati will right? Tomorrow I come here at 4 o'clock.